Today you're going to learn how to bulk edit your video descriptions or titles on your YouTube videos, and it only takes a couple of seconds to do. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to this link here. There will be one in the description, and you want to download the Google Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. It's basically a time management app that integrates directly into YouTube to help you obviously save time and do more work with very little effort. Now, I'm not going to get into this extension too much right now, but of course when you download and install the free extension, you can go through everything there. Okay, so once you've got TubeBuddy set up, you're going to see a few new icons on your channel. This is going to be the main one here, and when you click on it, it's going to be sort of like your hub with all your quick links. So what you want to do is then go ahead and click on My Videos, and of course it's going to take you straight to your Videos Manager page. Now this may look slightly different depending on watching your video and if you're using the new YouTube Studio or not, but it's going to be a very similar process. So once you're here, you then want to click on this new icon called Bulk, and it's going to give you a list of options of what you want to do. So we want to bulk edit our descriptions, so I'm going to click on Find, Replace and Append. And you're going to see a few drop down boxes, so you just want to click on the first one and select the action you want to do. So I'm going to click on Find and Replace Text. All you need to do is type in the text you want to find, and then here you just want to type in the text you want to replace it with. So if I type in subscribe here, and then in here I'm just going to type in subscribe again. So this is just for example, by the way. And then here you can change it to be case sensitive or not, and you can also include it in your title and description, but I'm just going to do it in the description for now. Once you've done that, you then want to go ahead and click continue, and it's going to ask you what videos you want to select. So you can only select a certain amount of videos or a certain video. In this case I want to just use all of them, so I'm going to keep that ticked and click continue. Now it's going to go through all of your videos and find which ones have the word subscribe in it. So in this case all of my videos have the word subscribe, so once you're happy to make the changes, just click on the videos you want to change with. I'm just going to select all of them. Then you want to go ahead and click continue again, and then just read this box here saying are you happy to change it basically. Click on yes, do it, and then click start, and it's going to go ahead and automatically change all your videos. Depends on how many videos you've got, it can take anywhere from a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. So TubeBuddy is a free Google Chrome extension that you can download right now, but in order to bulk edit videos you will need the Star license, and there's free trials out there for it. So if I just quickly scroll down here, it's basically going to give you a list of what features you're going to get, and just bear in mind that these are all directly integrated into YouTube, so it works nicely and seamlessly. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.